India may face heightened protectionism and a reinforced America First policy in U.S. trade, regardless of the 2024 presidential winner, whether Donald Trump or Kamala Harris. Trade experts, including Ajay Sahai of the Federation of Indian Export Organizations, FIEO, expect both candidates to maintain a focus on domestic manufacturing, with potentially significant consequences for Indian exporters. Over recent years, trade between the U.S. and India has grown, particularly under Joe Biden, with annual bilateral trade surpassing $190 billion. The U.S. is India's largest trade partner, with sectors like technology, pharmaceuticals, textiles, and engineering benefiting from demand in the American market. Indian merchandise exports to the U.S. increased by 46% from $53.1 billion in FY 2020 to $77.5 billion in FY 2024, and service trade has also grown by over 30%. Yet, concerns are mounting over potential tariffs on key Indian exports if Trump returns. Trump's previous administration imposed steep tariffs, including a 25% tariff on steel and a 10% tariff on aluminum in 2018, which resulted in substantial revenue losses for Indian exporters. Sanjay Buddy of the Confederation of Indian Industry highlights the risk of a similar scenario affecting engineering goods, pharmaceuticals, textiles, and its services, among others. While Harris has yet to outline her specific trade approach, Trump has been vocal about his dissatisfaction with India's tariffs, vowing to impose reciprocal measures. The U.S.-India trade deficit has widened from $13.3 billion in 2021 to $25.9 billion in 2024, which Trump has pointed out. Ajay Srivastava, founder of the Global Trade Research Initiative, GTRI, suggests that if Trump were to impose new tariffs, India could consider retaliatory actions, as it did in 2019 when it placed tariffs on U.S. imports in response to the steel and aluminum tariffs. India could, however, benefit from the US China Plus One strategy, particularly under a Trump administration that would likely adopt a stronger anti-China stance. Analysts suggest that this could prompt U.S. companies to expand their operations in India and possibly increase H-1B visa allocations. Sriparna Pathak of OP Jindal Global University adds that Trump may differentiate between India and China in tariff policies, imposing harsher tariffs on China. A Harris presidency, while still expected to maintain a protectionist tilt, may adopt a more measured approach. Sahai suggests that Harris could be less aggressive about market access demands compared to Trump. Nonetheless, the general trend of U.S. protectionism is likely to persist, with the potential for India to gain new export opportunities as U.S.-China trade tensions escalate.